everyone, this is Nikki on the design team here at Scrappiness, and I'm going to go over the 3 new sentiment dies that we have for this birthday release. We have 3 awesome ones. The first one is Make a Wish. I know this is backwards for you because that's how the die is. They all have a shadow around them, which is something that I love. And I went on and cut this one apart with my cool wire clippers from Scrappiness, but you see it's got a shadow and it's got the sentiment. So you can do all kinds of things with this. You can even cut the sentiment apart. This one, the Make a Wish, is not connected in the middle, so you can use that as 3 separate words. Happy Birthday, which is the best sentiment to have around, I feel like. And then Birthday Kisses. So Birthday Kisses looks really cute with some of her embellishments. She's got these little, it looks like little lips that are kissing. And so that would be great with that if you're going to make a shaker card. Let me show you how these look with their background. So here's Make a Wish. And like I said, the words of this are not connected. So if you wanted to not use the shadow die and just stack this on top of each other, you could. It gives you a lot of different options right there. These come with these dies, they come connected to each other, so I've cut these 2 apart right here, but I wanted to remind you that you need to cut those little things apart if you're wanting to make a shadow die, and Scrappiness has some great clippers. These are very small on the ends, so they can fit in those little spaces, and they just cut those little wires that hold the die together. So just remember to do that when you get these. It may be confusing if you haven't used dies like this before. So let's move on to the next one, which is Happy Birthday. I love having options for Happy Birthday, and this one is a great size. It takes up a decent amount of the card, which if you're going to make some quick Happy Birthdays, you've got it. It is only connected on the D and the Y right there, so if you wanted to cut it apart, you could. You just have to cut that one section to make it 2 separate words, and so it is a great size. I'm going to show you all of these versus an A2 card, both horizontal and vertical. So hang on a minute and I'll show you that. Let's get to that last one that we have. The last one is Birthday Kisses, and I think this was going to look so good with some of her new embellishments. She has little lips, and it would be such a cute shaker card to have lips behind it like it was kissing. I think that would be adorable. So here's all 3 of our products so that you can see, and now I'm going to show you how these look on an A2 sized card so you can see how they would fit on your card and what you could do around them. First one we'll look at is Happy Birthday. So this black piece of paper is a perfect A2 size, and doing it vertical, you can see it takes up a good portion. It would look really cool with just a nice background, maybe a couple of embellishments. And then you've got a lot more room if you turn it horizontal. So there's a lot of things you can do with this. It's a great, easy way to make a card. I highly suggest this die. Love having a Happy Birthday. Let's look at Make a Wish on this size card. So here's Make a Wish. We're going to start with it like this, which is the horizontal. It's what I'm calling it. It fits great that way. If you turn it vertical, it still fits. So all pieces of the shadow fit in that A2 size. It's just a tighter fit. So it depends on how you want your card to look. I definitely love it on the horizontal, and I really like putting it down in the bottom corner. Let me flip it so that you can see that. Here we go. So down in this bottom corner, I think it's going to be really cool to have a design. You could put it in the middle and make it most of your card, but I love it kind of offset on that bottom corner. So the last one we'll look at is Birthday Kisses, and I'm going to show you it both directions so you can see. I want you to make sure that if you're going to go shopping today, you click on the links in the description. Everything will be listed there, and make sure you check out this new birthday release. It's so fun. We're also having an Instagram hop today, so check us out over there. Bye!